Welcome to CannaGlobe. All right, so you just made a big decision to become a virtual dispensary owner. Congratulations, because guess why? You are in the right place. Right now, we are experiencing the second biggest wave in the whole industry of CBD. And so there is so much opportunity in being a virtual dispensary owner with CannaGlobe. All right, so what we're looking at right now is the CannaGlobe private Facebook page. On this page, this is where all the members are. It's a private community. We support each other. We give out tips, tricks, and that is what we do here. It's invite only, so be sure to click the link. Right? Make sure you click the link in the description box below right here if you have not started your own virtual dispensary yet and you want to get started ASAP. Now, but say you have, all right? Say that you are watching this video because you just signed up. You found my page already on another video, right? Let's get familiar with the back office, okay? Your first step, once you sign up, you are going to receive in your email, you're going to get an email from CannaGlobe. You see this right here? It's going to say, CannaGlobe, make sure that support@CannaGlobe.com, make sure that you check your spam folder, right? Check your spam folder, which would be over here. If you don't get it in your inbox, check your spam folder to make sure that you don't miss any communication from CannaGlobe. All right, so first thing you want to do once you do sign up and become a virtual dispensary owner is log in and go into your back office. All right, in your back office, as you can see, all this over here, my organization, training, manage my orders, e-wallet, resources, support system, settings, all of that. Right? Also, you'll see here in your back office, this is how you will join the private Facebook group that I just showed you. All right, that Facebook group gives us links to the Zoom meetings and tells you all the important information about upcoming events. All right, but more importantly, this right here is the most important, your virtual dispensary link. In order for you to sign up anybody, you must have your link. So you simply click it, highlight it, and then you do Control-C if you got a Windows computer. But however you copy and paste, you just copy and paste. You copy this link, you keep it in a very safe place. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the second most important thing for you to do once you become a virtual dispensary owner with CannaGlobe. All right, so we're going to click on greenhouse. Well, first, you know what? I hope my computer is not going slow. I don't need these problems right now. So you're going to click my organization. Now, as you can see right here, it says my current rank is, I'm sorry too, y'all, if it's loud, because today is Cinco de Mayo. The day this is being recorded is Cinco de Mayo. So yes, I had one little tequila, okay? charge it to the game, okay? Charge it to it being Friday and then Cinco de Mayo. So, all right, but check this out. So when you scroll down, you want to look at your rank, okay? So if you chose to be an affiliate, you will get 15% commission, right? And so to become an affiliate, you can purchase any product, right? And now to be an actual virtual dispensary owner, you have to get the 420 pack, right? So I'm going to show you that in one moment too. 420 pack, you like that, don't you? So to become a qualified VDO, as you can see right here too, it says to be a VDO, you have to at least personally enroll 3 people, right? So, and right here it says you need at least 6 area videos in your AVDO code. I need at least 6 area VDOs in order for me to move up and be right here, a regional. That's what I need, right? So I am definitely looking for some key players and some motivated people. Okay, some motivated people like me. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's get it while we can, right? So now, once you have signed, right? Once you have signed, you want to make sure right here that you have all green checks, right? Because like I said, to be a area VDO, the qualifications are you must have at least one additional product or active auto ship. And it must say yes. And you must do your $25 dispensary fee. It must say yes. And then you must have your 3 personally sponsored qualified videos, right? So everyone's different. We're all going to start somewhere. Most people start with the VDO pack of 420. So yours would have these guidelines, and it would be for you to be a Q VDO. Okay, but again, don't forget, this page is where your links are. Once again, here's your link. Copy, here's your QR code. If you want to add that to some postcards, boy, oh boy, where are my postcards? Don't worry, I'm going to do many videos. This is the official new page. So I'm going to have a lot of videos coming up. All right, but this is, long story short, I really want you to see that this is your first step. Get familiar with your back office. Get your link. You copy this link, you paste it, and the next video is going to show you how to start marketing this on what other than Facebook. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to get your first 3 clients on Facebook, or even get your first 3 clients through people you know from your contact list right in your phone. All right. So, yep. Now, let me tell you this though. Let's take it a step further. Say you already have your link and you already know a few people who want to be a virtual dispensary owner or want to buy some products. What you want to do, once you send them to that link, right? They're going to go to this page. Well, you know what? Let's back up. Let's back up. I'm going to just copy my link, and I'm going to show you in a new page so you can see. And my apologies for the system running so slow today. All right, so see this right here? Right here. Right here. Copy. So I'm going to copy my link. I'm going to go to incognito window. I'm going to paste. See that? And I'm going to press enter. All right, this is what people will see when you give them and share your link. Are you 21 years and older? Yes, I am. Choose your country. I'm in the U.S. Click OK. Yes, confirm that your country is the United States. So this is exactly what they're going to see. Affiliate side hustle, right? You get up to 17% and 3 levels, right? By buying any product. I said 15% earlier, but as you see, it's 17%. All right, to become a VDO, a virtual dispensary owner, you get the 420 pack, which is $500 worth of products. You get up to 27% commission, unlimited levels in training, and $420 worth of products. That's how you become a virtual dispensary owner. All right, and if you want to be a big time like me, I'm a VDO pro, which means I get paid to train, and unlimited levels and up to 27%. And these are the 3. These are your 3 options. The 3 options people have, right? VDO pro and VDO, right? So say they want to just be the VDO, a virtual dispensary owner. They are going to get a button that says, please confirm your sponsor is correct before proceeding. The sponsor name is Katina the Broker. Continue. So make sure your name, actually, let's take a step back. But look at all these cool products, y'all. Look at all these cool products. Look, hit the gummy rocks. I got some of those. Right here, baby. Right here. But let's take one more step back, because the other thing you want to do when you log in, the first thing you want to do as well is you want to go to settings, right? Oh, I did not mean to enter but go to settings and look at your profile information. Okay, make sure, let me see here. Hold on, bear with me. I gotta see how to block out my personal information. Okay, anyway, down here on the bottom, it's got your name, your address. Make sure all that information is correct. So again, we found that by going to settings. Make sure it's correct and click on save when you're done. All right, I think that is enough. I think that is plenty of information for your first video and for getting started. But as I stated, you want to get 3 people signed up, 3 customers or 3 virtual dispensary owners. You want to get that right away. All right, you definitely want to get it within the first 7 days. And that's going to help your business to grow super fast. Okay, and again, like I said, this is the new wave. This is the second biggest wave for the CBD business. So get yours. See you at the top, baby. It's Katina the Broker.